So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to explore different types of mini IAs which are given in the following folder. So you can see there is a mini IA which is about world data. This is the most stereotypical one to do for your real IA. Why? Because it's easy to get between 12 and 16 marks. You need to follow the steps, step by step, and this is all about understanding how to plot two different types of data and then analysing things such as Pearson. Another thing that's really important is having a look at the next IA, which is Buffon's Needle. In Buffon's Needle, this IA is about angles. So if you like understanding about angles, this is a great one to do, and it's analysing sine, cos and tan. If we're going to go on to the next mini IA, this is about analysing BMI using a spreadsheet in the folder. So the spreadsheet associated with this is here. Now, one of the key things you need to be aware of for the mini IAs is that you get marked for 5 different criterions. You get marked for criterion A, B, C, D and E. So what do I mean by that? Well, let me open up this guide. A is how you present the data as the following. So what do you get marked on when you're talking about presentation? You're talking about whether it has some coherence and organisation. You get marked out of 4. Is it easy to read? Does it flow well? Criterion B is about your mathematical communication, which is how well you discuss and argue a point. And in this sense, it's more about how you do this using mathematical terms, such as variables, and if you're using the mathematical editor properly. C is your engagement. How interested are you in the topic, and how does this guide your mathematics? This gets marked out of 3. Reflection. Do you describe your results, or do you really explain what's going on? And the maths is only marked out of 6. So you could have an IA with not great maths, but you could still get a great mark. Now, in terms of your submission date, you need to check the calendar. And currently, we're going to check this calendar over here. And we are going to be beginning the IA on Wednesday, and the IA deadline will be the 29th of April. So you must submit roughly 8 to 12 pages of written work. Good luck.